பண்ணிடலாமா? அந்த ட்ரைபேட் எடுத்து போட்டுவா. இது போட்டுக்கிறேன்.
I request everyone to remain standing for the national anthem.
Good morning and a warm welcome to the 32nd Annual Convocation of the National Law School of India University. I now invite the students of NLSIU to present the invocation song, Where the Mind is Without Fear.
Hello.
To that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
May I now request the Vice Chancellor to address the gathering and present the annual report of the University.
Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali, beautiful, they did it very well.
Honorable Chief Guest, Shri R. Venkataramani, the Attorney General of India, Honorable Chief Justice of India and the Chancellor of the University, Justice Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India, Honorable Chief Justices and Judges of the High Courts, Honorable Minister of Law and Parliamentary Affairs, Shri H.K. Patil, Honorable Minister of Higher Education, Dr. M.C. Sudhakar, Honorable Chairman of the Bar Council of India and Honorable Member of the Rajya Sabha, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, Honorable Members of the General Council, Executive Council, Academic Council, and the Finance Committee of the University. Dear graduating students, their proud parents, and distinguished guests. On behalf of the faculty and staff of the National Law School of India University, it is my privilege and honor to welcome all of you to the 32nd Annual Convocation of the University. We are gathered here this morning to celebrate and congratulate the graduating students who, through their perseverance and hard work, have earned their degrees, and to wish them all success as they prepare their next steps beyond the university. I will return briefly to address the graduating students, but may I begin today by welcoming the dignitaries on the dais. Our chief guest this morning, Sri R. Venkataramani, the Attorney General of India, is the highest law officer in the country. His current role caps a 44-year distinguished career as an advocate, and he was designated a senior advocate 27 years ago. He has served 2 terms as a member of the Law Commission of India and in several advisory roles to various government institutions. He has sustained a deep academic interest in the law as a researcher and writer of several books and a committed law teacher wherever possible. His insatiable and wide reading interests has allowed me to borrow from his extensive library on every visit to his home office. Above all, he has a deep personal emotional connection to the National Law School of India University through his special relationship with our founder-director, Sri N.R. Madhava Menon. For all of these reasons, we are delighted to have Sri Venkataramani join us as a chief guest this morning, and we look forward to hearing his address. The Chancellor of the University, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, has over the last 4 years as a member of the Executive and General Council, and the last 2 years as the Chancellor of the University, presided over the most significant transformation of the university since its founding in 1988. In this period, this university has returned to its founding values, regained its pioneer spirit, and is confidently poised to fundamentally reshape the future of Indian legal education and higher education more generally. We owe our collective gratitude to the Chancellor for his commitment to our university and his gentle yet firm leadership that has made this possible. Anyone who has visited the offices of the Bar Council of India will be struck by the frenetic energy and activity that characterizes this institution. Amidst this buzz, one always finds an oasis of calm enveloping the chairman of the Bar Council of India, Sri Manan Kumar Mishra. He sports a ready smile and patiently engages with the major and minor needs of the university, consistently bringing a problem-solving mindset to the issues of the day. On behalf of the university, we congratulate the chairman on his recent election to the Rajya Sabha and wish him the best as he dawns an even bigger public role in the years ahead. Shri H.K. Patil and Dr. M.C. Sudhakar, Honorable Ministers from the Government of Karnataka, have worked together in the last year to reshape the relationship between the Government of Karnataka and the university. Their commitment to ensuring that the National Law School of India University remains India's leading law university and to remove all obstacles to secure this outcome has given us the confidence to reimagine the university's role in the state, the country, and the world. We will publicly share more on key recent developments in the days ahead. 5 years ago, almost to the day, I stepped into this role as the Vice Chancellor of the university. As a graduate of the university and having spent almost a decade as a faculty member, I felt that I was stepping into a familiar space. I had spent the better part of a year preparing for this role, distilling my own experience, and with several discussions with colleagues and alumni. And we distilled this into several detailed slides and many pages of notes. On most occasions, reality conspires against these less developed plans. Our governing body's faculty and staff have, through their wisdom and labor, made most of these plans into reality. It is with great humility and a sense of good fortune that these notes have served as a reasonably accurate map over the years. As I begin the process of planning for the next 5 years, I intend to reach out intensively to all the stakeholders of the university in the months ahead to gather suggestions, insights, and priorities to sketch an achievable yet ambitious plan for this university in the years ahead. Presently, we are in the last week of the first trimester of the academic year 24-25. Earlier in July 2025, the university admitted its 36th cohort of BA LLB students. This is the largest cohort of BA LLB students admitted in the history of this university. With this, we have delivered on the student expansion as set out in the Inclusion and Expansion Plan 2021 for the various degree programs at the university. Hereafter, we only make incremental additions to the student numbers. Simultaneously, we have grown faculty resources, library and academic spaces, and hostels to accommodate these larger cohorts. On-campus hostel accommodation for all students is being developed and will be completed within the next 2 academic years. Till that time, we will have to make do with temporary off-campus arrangements. In the last 2 years alone, we have made larger capital expenditures on infrastructure than in the last 2 decades. We intend to increase our capital expenditure over the next 3 years to comprehensively redevelop our university infrastructure to 21st century standards. The sharp growth of this university is contributing to enhancing our academic excellence with the addition of extremely well-qualified faculty and staff and continuous improvement of academic and institutional processes. The intellectual culture and research output of the university has transformed in the last few years to better resemble the Humboldtian model of a research-intensive teaching university. We're glad to report that the university's top ranking in all private and public ranking frameworks in the last academic year confirms that we are on the right track. This university was established with a twin mandate: being an educational pioneer and a key contributor, the second part of the mandate, a key contributor to legal system reform in the broadest sense, including legal education, the legal profession, and court systems. The incredible successes of this university on the first limb of our mandate raises great expectations of us to respond and engage with the second limb of our statutory mandate. In the next 5 years, the university will invest significantly in developing partnerships and collaborations with governments, the courts, the legal profession and law universities, philanthropy, industry and civil society to contribute in this second sense to India's core development challenges. If we can bring the same vitality and energy to structural justice reform that we have brought to our role as an education pioneer, then this university will rightly earn the respect and support of India's underprivileged and marginalized for contributing to our collective good. We have gathered here today, our key purpose, to graduate 3 PhD students, 85 students from the 5-year BA LLB program, 52 from the 2-year Masters in Public Policy program, and 90 students with the 1-year LLM degree. We also graduate 850 students from our off-campus Masters of Business Law degree and 7 postgraduate university. And I congratulate every one of you, your parents, and all others who have supported you to achieve this goal today. As a teacher, I've had the opportunity and the privilege to engage pedagogically with the BA, LLB, LLM, and the off-campus degree and diploma students. I've enjoyed these engagements, and I trust that the students will look back at their time at university with fondness and gratitude. To be sure, not all university experiences are without friction and misunderstandings. Nevertheless, so long as we are guided by a common shared goal of collective learning and practice, we can transcend these entanglements and take on the incredible opportunities and great success that awaits all graduates of this university. In Ashok Gopal's recent book titled Apart Apart, The Life and Thought of B.R. Ambedkar, he surveys the intellectual influences that shaped Dr. Ambedkar's thinking at Columbia University in the early 1900s. Dr. Ambedkar identified John Dewey, a professor of philosophy, James Harvey and James Shotwell, professors of history, and Professor Seligman, a professor of political economy, as great professors and best friends. Dr. Ambedkar's engagement with and redevelopment of the diverse ideas, just look at the range of disciplines, of these thinkers helped shape a novel progressivism that responded to India's civilizational inheritance and political and social predicament. The greatest tribute that you, our graduating students, can pay to the university faculty and staff would be to deploy your formidable intellectual abilities to the public challenges of your time. Irrespective of the success of such an endeavor, it will certainly make for a more interesting life. Thank you for your patience, and may I hand back to Sahana to move us along.
Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, the Chairman of the Bar Council of India, is a senior advocate at the Supreme Court of India and a member of the Rajya Sabha. Mr. Mishra graduated with a BSc Honours and an LLB degree from Patna University, where he was a gold medalist in the law examinations. Mr. Mishra has been an elected member of the Bihar Bar Council since 1989 and has served as a member of the Bar Council of India from Bihar, first from 2010 for 1 term and then since 2018 in consecutive terms. Mr. Mishra has been a chairman of the Bar Council of India since 2012. The chairman of the BCI is a member of the Academic Council, the Executive Council, and is the chairman of the General Council of NLSI. May I now invite Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable Dr. Justice D.Y. Chanchur, the Chief Justice of India and the Chancellor of this university. Honorable Judges of Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Mehta, Justice Linda, Justice Bhuya, Justice Larale, Honorable Mr. Rao, and other honorable judges of Karnataka High Court, honorable judges of Patna High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Asutosh Kumar, Honorable Mr. Justice Vipul Pancholi, Honorable Mr. Justice Baijayanti ji, Mohit Shah ji, Harish Kumar ji, the Advocate General of Karnataka High Court, Honorable Ministers from Dayas, Mr. H.K. Patil, the Minister of Law, and Honorable Education Minister, State of Karnataka. The chief guest of today's function, Honorable Mr. R. Venkat Ramaniji, the Attorney General for India, and Mrs. Venkat Ramani, my friends in Bar Council of India, Mr. S. Prabhakar, Mr. Apurva Sharma, Mr. D.P. Sharma ji, Mr. Srimali, Mr. Prasant Kumar Singh, Mr. D.K. Sharma, Mr. J.P. Sharma, Mr. Bari, the Vice Chancellor, Dynamic Vice Chancellor of this university, Mr. Sudhir Krishnaswamy, respected teachers, the parents. Today is your day. You have fought the good fight, battled through textbooks heavier than your aspirations, and emerged victorious. Congratulations. You now hold in your hands that precious law degree, a key that opens many doors, some leading to justice, some to wealth, and let's face it, some to endless paperwork. But before we get carried away in celebration, let me bring you back to something essential. While this degree is a significant milestone, it's not the end. It's merely the beginning of long, challenging, but deeply rewarding journey. And here's where the real work begins. The kind that your law books could not quite capture between their footnotes and case citations. First and foremost, find passion in what you do. The truth is, this career will demand much from you. But if you approach the law with passion and a genuine love for its intricacies, the hours spent poring over legal briefs will seem less like a toil and more like a puzzle you can't wait to solve. Passion will help you stay grounded and keep your journey forward a little lighter. Even when you are dragging 10 cases files to court in one hand and a cup of coffee in the other. But don't forget the purpose. Passion may keep the fire going, but the purpose gives it direction. You are not just entering a profession. You are stepping into a vocation, a calling to serve. Whether you become a defender of human rights, an expert in corporate law, a legal scholar, or a judge sitting in robes, always remember, the law is not just about statutes and codes, it's about people. Behind your contract, every dispute, every decision is a person, a life, a story. Your role is to ensure that the law does not become a lifeless machine, but a tool of justice, fairness, and compassion. With great power comes great paperwork. And responsibility, of course. As a lawyer, you have power, real, tangible power to shape lives, to influence outcomes, to argue for change. But remember, your power is not just in your arguments or your knowledge of precedents. It's in your integrity. You have heard the jokes about lawyers, I'm sure. In fact, let me assure you that your friends and family will be trying them out on you for the rest of your life. But here's the punchline. The reputation of our profession is in your hands now. What you do, how you act, how you treat others, that's what defines you as a lawyer and as a person. Treat your clients with empathy. Treat your colleagues, senior juniors, and otherwise with respect. And above all, treat the law with reverence. The
Can you
legal
just
profession
ask
can
Dr.
sometimes feel
Krishnaswamy
like a
whether
game
I say
of hierarchy.
this 32nd
There are
convocation, because I think this is
partners,
the 32nd.
senior counsels, clerks,
So
interns,
instead of
and
saying
you will
this
likely
convocation, can I
play
say 32nd?
each of these roles at some point of time. Respect your seniors for their wisdom, your colleagues for their collegiality, and your juniors for their potential. The way you treat those around you will define your character more than any case you win or lose. You will often be the voice for voiceless. You will fight for justice, for equality, and for truth. You are now the architects of the future. No pressure, right? But seriously, whether you choose to practice law in a courtroom, a corporate boardroom, a classroom, or from behind a judge's bench, you have the power to shape the future. Laws evolve, society changes, and you will be at the forefront of that evolution. But don't just aim to shape the law. Aim to shape it in a way that serves humanity, promotes justice, and respects dignity. And finally, let us talk about legacy. Yes, it's a risk, or the prestige of your title. Your legacy will be defined by the lives you touch. The job, my dear graduates, go forth with confidence, with passion, and with purpose. The law awaits you. The society needs you, not just as lawyers, but as ethical, empathetic, and dedicated defenders of justice. The future is yours. I have no doubt you will make it a better one. Thank you. Jai Hind. Again, congratulations and best wishes to all of you. Jai Hind.
Ms. Aditi Vishwas Sheikh was admitted to the NLSIU in 2019 and is a part of the graduating batch today. During her time at NLSIU, she was elected a co-president of the Student Bar Association and was the convener of the Legal Services Clinic and the editor-in-chief of the NLS Business Law Review. She will begin her career as a trainee solicitor at A&O Sherman's London office in March 2025. Until then, she is preparing for the solicitor's qualifying exam and is pursuing a program in baking science and pastry arts. In light of her all-round performance in academics and extracurricular activities during her time at NLSIU, Ms. Sheikh has been chosen to deliver the graduating student address. I now invite Ms. Aditi Vishwas Sheikh to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Guest, Attorney General for India, Shri R. Venkatramani. Honorable Chief Justice of India and Chancellor of the National Law School of India University, Dr. Justice Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud. Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court of India, Honorable Chief Justices and Judges of the High Courts, Honorable Members of the Governing Body of the University, Respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Sudhir Krishnaswamy, and Registrar, Professor Dr. N.S. Nigam. My dear teachers, the staff, my fellow graduates, and their families, good morning. Today marks the culmination of an extraordinary journey we began 5 years ago. It feels surreal to be standing here as we celebrate the class of 2024. We entered law school as nervous, wide-eyed first years, and that year in particular felt challenging, with courses like economics and history which stretched us to our limits. There were moments when self-doubt and imposter syndrome crept in, but as we do in life, we adapted. Then came our second year where the world quite literally turned upside down. Suddenly we were attending online classes and writing 8-hour exams from our homes. I live in a small coastal town in Gujarat. Despite a global lockdown and a tsunami less than 5 kilometers away, my biggest concern was not having Wi-Fi to study for my contracts exam. And so many of us faced similar and more issues during COVID. It felt like the ground beneath us was shifting, yet we carried on. With the easing of pandemic restrictions, we returned to campus in our third year, having the first real chance to find our place at NLS. but our time at law school has been nothing short of transformative. For a course known for its academic rigor, we've pulled all-nighters cramming before exams. But we have also cheered ourselves hoarse at sports events, danced our hearts out at Uni Week, and forged friendships that will last a lifetime. We've been challenged, we've struggled, we've doubted ourselves, but most importantly, we've persevered and grown. It's hard to believe that we, who once looked up to seniors in awe as they graduated, are now standing where they once stood. And none of this would have been possible without the support we've received along the ride. To our professors, your wisdom, guidance, and sometimes tough love have been instrumental in shaping us into the individuals we are today. You've taught us how to think critically, to question everything, and grow beyond what we thought was possible. Basically, you taught us how to learn. Perhaps more importantly, you were also there for us, helping us navigate our personal and professional lives. For that, we are deeply thankful. I still remember reaching out to Professors Som Shekhar, Sayukta and Rahul Singh to use their office to give a job interview from. Little did I know that all three would be so kind to agree. Embarrassingly so, I also remember breaking down and crying in front of Professor Sudhir and Nigam. Thank you for helping me find strength that day. There's a long, long list of professors who've nurtured our batch and I want to thank, but I've been told I only have 5 minutes. To the staff who made campus feel like home, Ammas who've always greeted us with big smiles, you brought warmth and care into our everyday lives. Similarly, the administrative staff, librarians, guardians, thank you for looking out after us. To our families, your belief in us has been a constant source of strength and motivation. Everything we have achieved is because of the sacrifices you've made for 23 years now. We could not have done this without you. To my incredible parents, Reena Sheth and Vishwas Sheth, I wouldn't be standing here today without your endless love and encouragement. To our friends, you've been our support system, our study partners, our cheerleaders, and often our much-needed distractions. The bonds we've forged here today are unbreakable. To our seniors, thank you for paving the way, for your guidance, and for setting the bar so high. Your advice and mentorship have been invaluable. To our juniors, thank you for motivating us to be better role models. Finally, to our amazing peers, what an honor it has been to learn alongside you. Your diverse perspectives, your brilliant insights during class, and your passion for the law have continuously inspired me. We've pushed each other to be better. As we look ahead to what comes next, it's easy to feel the same fear and uncertainty we once felt as first years. The personal and professional challenges that await us may seem overwhelming, and at times we may doubt our ability to succeed. But if there's one thing this journey has taught us, it is that with perseverance and the support of those around us, things have a way of falling into place. Just as we found our footing here, we will find our way out there. So let's go forward with confidence, knowing that no matter how daunting the road ahead may seem, we have the strength and community to see us through. Congratulations, class of 2024, and thank you all for being an integral part of this chapter of our lives.
Respected Chancellor, I have the honor to request you, sir, to declare the convocation open.
This 32nd convocation of the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore, has been called to confer degrees upon the candidates who, in the examinations held for the purpose, have been certified to be worthy of the same. I now declare the convocation open. Let the candidates for the various degrees stand forward. Do you sincerely promise and declare that if admitted to the degrees for which you are candidates, you will conduct yourselves with humility, integrity, and civility, and strive to protect the Constitution and develop a society governed by the rule of law? Let the candidates be now presented.
First, all graduating students to come up in the order that their names are announced. The degrees will be awarded by the Chancellor, and the medals and prizes will be awarded by the Chief Guest. We will begin with the award of degrees to the candidates receiving the degree of Doctor of Philosophy.
From me, and then the gold medals from...
By virtue,
I'll give the degrees, and then you give
sir,
the
I have
medals,
the
right?
honor to present to you the candidates who have qualified for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy,
Okay, sure.
to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree in person will please stand forward.
Sure.
The Doctor of Philosophy, Nidhi Sinha.
Congratulations, Nidhi. Well done.
The Doctor of Philosophy, Interdisciplinary, Aarti Mulkul.
Congratulations, Aarti. Do you want us to
Following
move there?
candidate will receive their degree in absentia, Angel Habumon CM.
Are we okay here, or does he want us to move to the little left to the left? That's fine.
Candidates for the Master of Laws will now receive their degree.
Sir, I have the honor to present to you the candidates who have qualified for the degree of Master of Laws, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree in person will please stand forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore, I admit you as also the candidates in absentia to the degree of Master of Laws of this university.
Ashna Chaudhary.
Ashna, congratulations. All the best.
Anusha C. Koti.
Anusha, congratulations. All the best.
Adarsh Kumar.
Adarsh, congratulations. All the best.
Akshay S. Krishna, recipient of the Messrs. Sitaram Jindal Foundation Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in the LLM course, Law and Society, instituted by Messrs. Sitaram Jindal Foundation.
All the best. You have to give the...
Amulya Anil, recipient of the Messrs. Sitaram Jindal Foundation Gold Medal for Best
Congratulations,
Dissertation,
Amulya.
instituted by Messrs. Sitaram Jindal Foundation.
All the best to you.
Anaka Angeline Anilesh.
Congratulations, Anaka. All the best.
Anban Bharati S.A., recipient of the Hunisagahalli Muttanna Parvatama Medal for securing the highest CGPA LLM, instituted by
All
Mrs.
the best to you.
Prabha Sharma and Mr. S.R.R.K. Sharma, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore,
And
and the
gold medal
N.L.
for you
Mitra
as well.
Memorial Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in the LLM course, Foundations of Private Law, instituted by Professor N.L. Mitra, visiting professor, NLSIU, Bangalore. Ankesh Kumar.
Congratulations, Ankesh. All the best.
Avinash Kumar Sonkar.
Avnish, congratulations.
Ayush Dubey.
Congratulations, Ayush. All the best.
Ayush Rai.
Congratulations, Ayush. All the best.
B. Sumiran.
Congratulations, Miran. All the best.
Basava Prasad Kunale.
Congratulations, Basu Prasad. All the best.
Benila B.M.
Benila, congratulations. All the best. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're in the CRP. Wonderful. Oh, great. I hope you're liking the work.
Bhumika K.
Congratulations, Bhumika.
Charan
The previous
Hegde.
candidate was working with the Center for Research and Planning of the Supreme Court. We have got some amazing youngsters who are working for us. Congratulations, Charan. All the best.
Chushmit A.J.
Sushmit, congratulations. All the best.
Tanisha O.G.
Congratulations, Ganesha. All the best. All the best.
Fagun Sahni.
Congratulations, Fagun. All the best.
G. Harshita.
Congratulations, Harshika. All the best.
Garbita Chopra.
Congratulations, Gavita. All the best.
Gitanjali Dhagya.
Congratulations, Gitanjali. All the best.
Geetika Gupta.
Congratulations, Geetika. All the best.
Hifsa Haq, recipient of the Messrs. Sitaram Jindal Foundation Gold Medal for the Best Outgoing LLM Student, instituted by Messrs. Sitaram Jindal Foundation.
Congratulations, it's a very brilliant performance. Where are you working?
I'm working as an assistant professor.
Oh, wonderful.
Himanshu Kunjam.
Congratulations, Himanshu. All the best to you. Well done.
Eva Singh.
Congratulations, Eva. All the best to you.
Japandeep Singh Bragg.
Congratulations, Japandeep. That's a lovely name, Japan, you know. All the best.
KK Prahlad, recipient of the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in
Congratulations,
LLM course, Law and Justice in a Globalizing World, instituted by SRRK Sharma, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore. Karan Sharma.
Congratulations, Karen. All the best.
Karsh S. Shiref.
Congratulations, Karish. Wishing you all the best.
Kirtana Manikandan.
Congratulations, Kirtana. All the best.
Kishore.
Congratulations, Kishore. All the best.
Kulkarni Maitri Umesh Anaga.
Maitri, you're Maitri, right? You put your surname first. Congratulations. All the best.
Lekashri SS.
Lekashri, congratulations.
Manda Dheeraj Bhutto.
Manda, congratulations. All the best.
Manjeet Singh.
Congratulations, Manjeet. Well done. All the best.
Mausam Kumar.
Congratulations, Awesome. All the best.
Monish Nayak R.
Congratulations, Manish. All the best.
Mridul Pateria.
Congratulations, Mridul. Come and stand for a picture. All the best.
Neetu Singh.
Congratulations, Nitin. All the best.
Nikhil Kumar.
Congratulations, Nikhil. All the best.
Nimisha Priyadarshi.
Congratulations, Nimisha. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Nitin.
Congratulations, Nitin. All the best.
Pooja V. Adike.
Congratulations, Pooja. All the best.
Bansur Pravesh Dilip.
Congratulations, Pravesh. All the best. All the best.
R. Diksha.
Congratulations, Diksha. You have a lovely name, Vachanamrita. Congratulations. All the best.
R. A. Arun Kirti.
Congratulations, Arun.
Rahul Kumar.
Congratulations, Rahul.
Rahul Sinha N.
Congratulations, Rahul. All the best. Harsh. All the best.
Sakshi Governance, instituted by Nani A. Palkiwala Memorial Trust, Mumbai. Syed Amin Inamdar.
Congratulations, Tanmay.
Tanvira.
Congratulations, Tanvira. All the best.
Tarun Chapola.
Congratulations, Tarun. All the best.
Venkatesh U.
Congratulations, Venkatesh. All the best.
Vikramaditya Mishra.
Congratulations, Vikramaditya. All the best.
Vinay M.
Congratulations, Vinay. All the best.
Vishal Majumdar.
Congratulations, Vishal. All the best.
Rajat Manikanta S.
Congratulations, Vishal. All the best.
Yamina Ahmed.
Congratulations, Amina. All the best.
NP, Kartik Gupta, Mahalakshmi E, Mindala Nagasai, NU Harshili, Nilesh Shukla, Pankaj Kumar Raj, Preeti Rakhu, Sana Kayam, Shanbag Swapnil Sunil, Sharona Man, Vishwan Prakash, Vikram Chandrasekhar, Suresh Kannan KT, Bhushan Chatak, and Saloni Goyal.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Chancellor of the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore, I admit you as also the candidates in absentia to the degree of Master of Laws of this university.
Sir, I have the honor to present to you the candidates who have qualified for the degree of Master of Public Policy, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree in person will please stand forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore, I admit you as also the candidates in absentia to the degree of Master of Public Policy of this university.
Aditya M,
Congratulations, Aditya. All the best.
Ananya Anand,
Congratulations, Ananya. Hi. All the best.
Anjali Jha,
Congratulations, Anusha. All the best.
Anushka Verma,
Congratulations, Anushka. All the best.
Aprajita D. Monti,
Congratulations, Aprajita. All the best.
Arushi Mishra,
Congratulations, Arushi. All the best.
Ashi Pandey,
Congratulations, Ashi. All the best.
Ashwin M. Nair,
Congratulations, Ashwin. All the best.
Atish Kumar Paddy, recipient of the MPP Faculty Medal for Best Outgoing Student, instituted by MPP Faculty NLS IE Bangalore, and the Best Dissertation Award for MPP Program, instituted by Professor N. Jairam.
And for a medal.
Ayush Sharma,
Congratulations, Ayush. The best.
Viprajit Roy Chaudhary,
Congratulations, Viprajit. All the best.
D.S. Samhita,
Congratulations, Samita. All the best.
Diksha,
Congratulations. All the best, Diksha.
Hannah Sarasu John,
Congratulations, Hannah. All the best.
Ghosh Ira Sanjay Kumar, Ivy Das,
Congratulations, Ivy.
Sarish Tripathi,
Congratulations, Harish. All the best.
Shivangi Garg,
Congratulations, Shivangi. All the best.
Shreya Yadav,
Congratulations, Shreya. All the best.
Sitara Suresh Babu.
Congratulations, Sitara. Congratulations, Shripal. All the best.
Shubham Srivastava.
Congratulations, Shubham. All the best.
Supraja T. Kumar.
Congratulations, Supraja. All the best. All the best.
Suryanshu Chaturvedi.
Congratulations, Suryanshu. All the best.
Kalan Raghu Venkatasai Praneeth.
Helen, congratulations. How are you? Is that your first name? Praneeth. All the best.
Tejas Chandra KM.
Congratulations, Tejas. All the best.
Utkarsh Agarwal.
Congratulations, Utkarsh.
Varun Ramesh.
Congratulations, Varun. You have to look back.
Vishnu Teja B.
Congratulations, Vishnu Teja. All the best.
Abhiyanitu R.
Congratulations, Abhinitu. Abhiyanitu. Congratulations. All the best.
Malvika V.
Congratulations, Malika. All the best.
Vanshika Sagar.
Congratulations, Vanchika. All the best. All the best.
The following candidates will receive their degree in absentia: Amitesh Sivaya, Sabnis Anush Praveen, Harnoor Vil, and Tuhu Agarwal. Candidates for the degree
back
of
now.
Bachelor of Arts and Law Honours will now receive their degree.
Sir,
Okay, one more set.
I have the honor to present to you the candidates who have qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Laws, to which I pray they may be admitted. Candidates taking the degree in person will please step forward.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the National Law School of India, University, Bangalore, I admit you, as also the candidates in absentia, to the degree of Bachelor of Arts and Laws Honours of this university.
A. Janvi,
Janvi, congratulations. All the best.
Agam Jain,
Congratulations, Agam.
Abhirup Srivastav,
Congratulations, Abhirup.
Aditi Vishwas Sheikh, recipient of the Shri N.R. Railu Medal for 3rd rank, instituted by Mrs. Prabha Sharma and Mr. S.R.R.K. Sharma, Chartered Accountant, Bangalore. Shanbhog Raghavendra Rao and Subalakshamma Memorial Medal for the best outgoing student,
Wow, look at that.
instituted by Mrs. and Mr. S.R.R.K. Sharma, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore. Kumari Devi Menon Memorial Medal for all-round best graduating girl student, instituted by Professor N.R. Madhav Menon and Mrs. Rama Menon. Shri S.K. Venkatarangayangar Medal for the outstanding graduating student, instituted by Shri S.V. Rangaswamy, former Professor IASC Bangalore. Best Student Advocate Award, instituted by Mr. V.R. Reddy, Senior Advocate and Additional Solicitor General, New Delhi. Mrs. Madhu Basin, Noble Student Award for Legal Aid Clinic, instituted by Mr. Lalit Basin, Advocate, Supreme Court of India, New Delhi. Vikram Singh Medal for Young Leader of the Year, instituted by Karan Singh, Kolkata. And the Ms. Anuradha N. Memorial Medal for the best outgoing female students, sponsored by Legal Excel, Advocates, Solicitors and Healthcare Consultants. Akshit Singla,
Congratulations, Akshit.
Aman Meena,
Congratulations, Aman. Congratulations. All the best.
Anandita Tayal,
Congratulations, Anandita. All the best.
Animesh Tiwari,
Congratulations, Animesh.
Ankit Swami,
Ankit, congratulations. All the best.
Anmol Kohli, recipient of the Miss KG Pramila and Mr. DC Tamanna Medal in Transfer of Property Laws, instituted by Mrs. Prabha Sharma and Mr. SRK Sharma, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore. Shri A.R. Uday Shankar Medal in Public Law, instituted by Ms. Krishna Uday Shankar, Bangalore, former BA LLB Honours student of NLSIU. Mr. Keshav Iyengar Medal in Administrative Law, instituted by Mr. K. Parasaran, Senior Advocate, New Delhi. K.B. Junjunwala Medal in Constitutional Law, instituted by Messrs. Sita Kunj Memorial Trust through Mr. R.N. Junjunwala, Solicitor and Advocate, Calcutta. Justice Alvaro Diaz Medal in Jurisprudence, instituted by Mrs. and Mr. Menezes, Panjim, Goa, and the Professor Uday Raj Rai Medal in Constitutional Law, instituted by Ms. Sheila Rai, Professor, NLU, Orissa, Cuttack. Anurag Tiwari, recipient of the Basant Kumar Birla Medal for a second-ranked student, instituted by the Birla Sanskriti Trust, Kolkata. Late Shri A.B. Gopal Krishna Bhatt Memorial Medal for the second rank, instituted by Mrs. Prabha Sharma and Mr. S.R.R.K. Sharma, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore. Mr. Ved Brahma Venkata Subramanya Avadani Galu Medal in Torts Law, instituted by Mrs. Prabha Sharma and Mr. S.R.R.K. Sharma, Chartered Accountants, Bangalore. Srimati Rukmani Devi Arundel Medal in Environmental Law, instituted by Mrs. Binu Jairam and Mr. A.N. Jairam, former Additional Solicitor General of India, Senior Advocate, Bangalore, and the Professor K.C. Gopal Krishna and Srimati Sarojini Gopal Krishna Gold Medal in Taxation Law, instituted by Professor K.C. Gopal Krishna, Bangalore. Atar Pramod Patwardhan.
Congratulations, Atharva. All the best.
Avinash Topno.
Congratulations, Avinash.
Bharat Harne, recipient of the Singhania and Company Medal in Law and Economics, instituted by Mr. D.C. Singhania, Advocate, New Delhi.
Congratulations, Bharat.
Chaudhary Arohi Soumya.
Congratulations. All the best.
Harish.
So your first name is Dhania? Oh, Radhika. Radhika, I thought so. Okay, so Dhania. All the best.
Hiram Mishra.
Congratulations, Hiram. All the best.
Jaren B. Matthew.
Congratulations, Jaren. All the best.
Kamble Smith Sanjay.
Congratulations, Smith. All the best.
Karthik Garg.
Congratulations, Karthik. All the best.
Kashish Gupta, recipient of the Sitaram Junjunwala Medal in Business and Corporate Laws,
Congratulations,
instituted by Messrs. Sita Kunj Memorial Trust to Mr. R.N. Junjunwala, Solicitor and Advocate,
Now your
Calcutta.
medals.
The Shri K.I. Bhatta Memorial Medal for the most deserving female student, instituted by Shri Shankar H. Pathak. Alyosha Kumar Gold Medal for Excellence in Sports and Extracurricular Activities, instituted by Commander Arun Kumar, AVSN, NM, retired Mumbai, and the Rajiv K. Luthra Gold Medal in Perpetuity for the best academic performance in the face of adversity in the graduating class of the 5-year BA LLB Honours Program. Kirti Meena, Kaustubh Garg,
Congratulations, Kaustubh.
Kopal Mittal,
No, Kirti.
Kriti Jain, recipient of the Kirti Meena,
Congratulations, Kirti.
Kopal Mittal,
Congratulations, Kopal. Namaste. All the best.
Thank you so much. I need to meet you.
Pleasure.
Kriti Jain, recipient of the Professor P. Shivshankar Medal in Intellectual Property Law,
Congratulations, Ritik, right? Yes. Nice to meet you. All the best and congratulations.
Molly Kaushal Jain,
All the best.
Naomi Manoj,
Congratulations, Naomi. All the best.
Pallavi Agarwal,
Congratulations, Pallavi.
Prajwal Rathod, recipient of the Datta Junjunwala Medal in International Law, instituted by Messrs. Sitakunj Memorial Trust from Mr. R.N. Junjunwala, Solicitor and Advocate, Calcutta, and the Vice Chancellor Stu Bhatia,
Congratulations, Ritu.
Sandli Pawar,
Congratulations, Sanjay.
Sanyukta Fauzdar,
Congratulations, Samyukta. All the best.
Saragula Didipya,
Congratulations. So, your first name is Didipya or
My
Sa?
first name is Aditya.
Didipya. Congratulations.
Delhi, the Sarla Birla Medal
I know,
for the
so
overall topper,
congratulations.
instituted by the Birla Sanskriti Trust, Kolkata. The Dr. D.V. Gundappa Medal in Professional Ethics, instituted by Mrs. Vinu Jairam and Mr. A.N. Jairam, former Additional Solicitor General of India, Senior Advocate Bank.
Congratulations, Sunil. Congratulations, Sunil. All the best. Congratulations, Shudran. All the best.
V. Ashish,
All the best.
Harsh Sethi,
Congratulations, Aish.
Kshitij Goyal,
Congratulations, Shitesh. All the best.
Dhruv Chopra,
Congratulations, Dhruv.
Jitesh,
Congratulations. All the best.
Yashaswini Gautam,
Congratulations, Yashaswini. All the best.
Manthan D.
Congratulations, Manthan. Congratulations to you. All the best.
Child Rights Law, Nishta Kapoor.
Mosh. Congratulations, Mishra. All the best.
2023-24 will now receive their certificates in absentia.
Which one? This one? By virtue of the authority vested in me, to the degree of Master of Business Laws and the respective postgraduate diplomas of this university.
The chief guest will now present the gold medal for the best essay in the 27th annual HM Seedway essay competition in Constitution Law.
Wow.
The gold medal was instituted in 1997 by senior advocate Mr. Navroz Seedway in honor of one of India's most distinguished jurists, the late Mr. H.M. Seedway. The competition is open to any student studying for their first degree in law at any university or college in India, and the prize is awarded to the best original essay written at or college in India, and the prize is awarded to the best original essay written on a theme associated with the Indian Constitution. The winning essay is published in the National Law. That brings us to the end of the degree and prize distribution ceremony.
I wouldn't mind becoming Attorney General for the afternoon.
Obtaining an LLM and SJD degree from Harvard Law School, Justice Chandrachud joined the Bombay Bar and was designated as a senior advocate and also went on to serve as Additional Solicitor General of India. As an advocate, Justice Chandrachud championed several causes such as the right to privacy, the rights of HIV-positive workers, and religious and linguistic minority rights. As a judge of the Supreme Court of India, Justice Chandrachud has delivered some minor judgments, including on the decriminalization of homosexuality, decriminalization of adultery, declaration of privacy as a fundamental right, disability, combating caste and gender discrimination, and environmental law. As chairperson of the E-Committee of the Supreme Court of India, he is spearheading a digital transformation of the judicial system in India, comprising over 18,000 courts. The E-Committee has set up virtual courts, enabling video conferencing of court hearings, and has also facilitated digitization of court records and e-filing of cases. The National Judicial has spearheaded numerous reforms on the administrative and judicial side. Among many initiatives, the Supreme Court has also commenced live streaming and live transcription of proceedings of the Constitution Bench matters to make them more accessible.
My speech by saying today is your day until I realized that the chairperson of the Bar Council of India had said that already. I won't say I agree with him, but I'll go one step further by saying that today's India is really your India. That today's India is really your India. You rise today to step from the old to the new anvils of your professional and personal journey. I congratulate your parents, mentors, discipline, and education. Graduation ceremonies represent a defining moment in realizing these virtues. We stand on the shoulders of our 4 generations who dreamed and toiled for us to celebrate institutions of excellence like the National Law School of India University. Today, you rise from the toil and hard work of your families and professors. As Maya Angelou's famous song goes, out of the huts of history's shame I rise. Up from a past that rooted in pain I rise. Leaving behind nights of terror I rise. Into a day that's wondrously clear I rise. Bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave, I rise, I rise, I rise. Everything you have experienced, from the lay between the new and the into this campus, you must have had several questions about your life and the profession. You must have been heavily influenced by your upbringing and social circle. You probably also carried a little bit of baggage. Today you know people who have lived a very different life than yourself. And as you emerge, there is only one steady stream of values that must guide you from now And those are the values of the Constitution to enter, which internship to pursue, which elective to take, or how to balance that college party with the paper due at midnight. Well, at least for today, the party would be a great choice over any other pressing deadline you would have become used to at NLSIU. Throughout your law school journey, every choice you made was an exercise in judgment, an opportunity to weigh pros and cons, and a chance to align. The process of decision-making is filled with uncertainty. I understand the weight of this uncertainty, but this is hardly anything to be afraid of, because it is precisely in these moments of uncertainty that your character is forged. Whatever your path is in the coming years, your own decisions are likely to have positive consequences, not only for yourself, but to making this world a better place to live in. I urge you to embark on this journey with patience and humility as companions. I want to especially highlight the virtue in being patient. Studies have shown that we have become a generation of short-term gratification. The exigencies of a rapidly changing world, climate change, new modes of entertainment like the social media, and an eagerness to change social evil institutions in a stable democracy take place incrementally. Otherwise, we run unlikely to create long-term positive changes for your goals. Bearing this in mind is especially important for young lawyers. Your profession will demand your attention. In meeting these demands, you must remember that you are here for the long haul. No matter how much the forced sense of urgency, you must approach life with patience. Let's take the example of Brian Stevenson, a civil rights lawyer in the United States and founder of the Equal Justice Initiative, wrongfully convicted of murder in Alabama and sentenced to death. The case was plagued by racial bias, fabricated evidence, and legal misconduct. Stevenson faced immense pressure and hostility from local authorities and an overwhelming sense of urgency to save Macmillan's life. Despite this, Stevenson didn't rush, patiently working within a system that was slow to change. It took 6 long years of legal battles and courage to stand against deeply ingrained racial injustice. But Stevenson's patience and perseverance ultimately paid off. In 1993, Walter Macmillan was exonerated and released from death row. Judges sometimes ask peculiar questions. I asked one such peculiar question when I was dealing with a review petition against an order confirming a death penalty award. As you know, review petitions and death penalty cases are now heard in open court in the Supreme Court. And I was quite impertinent in asking a question to the lawyer, how long would you take? And the lawyer responded, if you have the patience, I will persuade you that not only is this a case for commutation of the sentence of death to life, but this is a case for a clean acquittal. We gave that little bit of patience that afternoon, but it resulted in the acquittal of the accused. This is a paced era where everything seems to be a do-or-die situation. And these early days of your legal career will be demanding. You may feel inadequate, insecure, and isolated at times. Many of us have experienced this burnout. But remember, you're not alone in this journey. To deal with the obstacles you face, you must build a strong support network. Spend time with your family and friends. Leading does not mean you're alone, even though it may feel so that way at times. Mentorship and guidance to others. Not only people who are younger than you, but people older than you as well need mentorship and learning from you. When you face a tough decision, just do what I do. To paraphrase Sylvia Plath, I take a deep breath and listen to the old brag of my heart. I am, I am, I am. I was asked a few days ago, how do you decide in this vortex of conflict that sometimes comes to you in the Supreme Court of India? And I said, and this is just a shared experience, which everyone may not want to follow necessarily, that once you have heard fairly, you have heard different viewpoints, then you retreat into yourself. And that's when you shut out the cacophony of voices. And then you appeal to something within, which is guided by the eternal values which we are intended to espouse: liberty, dignity, and autonomy of the individual. The decisions you face particularly, and you possess the knowledge, skills, and intuition to make sound decisions. In moments of uncertainty, when you face tough choices, remember to pause and listen to your inner voice. As you make your way through this profession, tough decisions may lead to unexpected outcomes, but they are ours to your generation. With many hours to your generation, with many even opening enterprises to profit from, every heart vibrates to that iron string. Nothing is a last sacred. Nothing is a last sacred but the integrity of your own mind. Your education at this university has prepared you to face the challenges ahead. Trust in that preparation and yourself. These decisions will be a great marker of your individual character and reflect your individuality. The Latin phrase, nati quasi viris extra, means do not seek for things outside yourself. This advice is particularly pertinent for those of you who are feeling a sense of being lost in a pool of expectations and options. The paralyzing fear of making the wrong choice is universal. I can tell you from personal experience that in uncharted waters, your North Star is your inner voice and individuality. Do not underestimate the power of your unique voice and perspective. As you embark on your careers, take pride in your individuality. Your personal experiences, values, and passions are what will enable you to connect with people around you authentically. Justice Sonia Sotomayor of the United States Supreme Court said,
some sense. So it gives me immense pleasure to be called upon to be part of the Convocation celebrations. I've been fortunate to have seen the birth of this great institute, a great trendsetter, and a reorientation of legal education. It all happened in the midst of many doubts and questions. I've seen from being an insider then how the indomitable spirit, knowledge, and learning that became the hallmark of this institution remains green in my memory as I used to travel here on every call of Professor Menon. I must express gratitude to my Guru and convey my understanding of the importance of the venerable Guru Shishya tradition in India. The bundle of values contained in the tradition are its essence. The motions and disciplines involved in the art of understanding and the practice of humility, and invited to the pursuit of knowledge as our daily page of existence are the core values of this tradition. I think it's our duty to stand by this tradition and transmit the values embedded in it. I also think that the value of values which enable and enrich our life is another dimension of this tradition. It's also a privilege to be considered worthy of talking to all of you today, to share your joy and sense of completing a long journey of 5 years with all its trials and tribulations, if I may say so. You came into the institution, Columbus-like, to engage yourself in a journey of knowledge pursuit, and like the Nachiketa of ancient Indian lore, you began to ask questions, or at least trained to ask questions. You came into the study of law and with books, statutes, judgments, and legal literature were asked to get into a journey of being a mathematician, a scientist, a technologist, and a building maker, all put together. This world, if I may say so, is a world of simulation. The world of the school is a world of simulation, a little removed from the tussle-ridden realities of the real world. Law schools are knowledge communities of a special sort. If they have to exist, they must exist to correct the formation of lawyers and the nature and role of law schools as institutions. Today, you are given the travel passport to become part of the exciting world of legal practice. But excitement comes with responsibility, a responsibility which is becoming more entangled and challenging as we move into a new age of human existence, namely becoming Homo technologicus. Exploring the role of law in this world of technology-driven world for individual and collective good, and exploring our existential frontiers are responsibilities that entail many new questions which may demand answers beyond yesteryear's stock of responses. Let me wish you all the strength, the equipment, undying vigor, and fulfillment in the pursuit of professional excellence, and as many achievements as every one of you can gather in the basket of your practice. Legal practice means asking questions for yourself and for the community. I therefore thought of talking on the subject of the search for right answers. The search for right answer is the stuff of all life, from mundane to the momentous, from the choice of the colorful attire for the wedding to the choice of norms or rules for a secular civil court. What is right also involves not merely that they change or alter our position about affairs of life, but the distinctive mark. Science, we will argue against it. Science and technology cannot function or work on accommodating multiple right answers, even though historians of science show instances of collision of scientists on the right answer subject. The search for right answers becomes challenging as the canvas of our information, knowledge, and experience grows large. Which outcomes are right following the clash of right answers will soon become a matter of technology, science, and probabilities. John Maynard Keynes, in his essay in 1930 titled Economic Possibilities for Our Grandchildren, predicted that his future grandchildren would have to work only 3 hours a day to satisfy the old Adam in us. The reference was obviously that machines would do most of the work for us, making possible a return to paradise. It appears that we are moving towards this technology age, except perhaps Supreme Court judges who work unlike any of us, even with technology around them. Well, globally and domestically, we have pledged a march towards a society of equals, materially, economically, and socially. Our struggle or conflicts of ideologies in fashioning political and governance tools are still raging debates. We are still clogged by doctrinaire thoughts on being left or right, which is an outmoded divide. For political debates, it remains the current coin. How much weight democracy can bear to resolve these tensions is an open question. But we must hold democracy as the only civilized way of human ordering. The task is made more difficult and challenging by reason of the choices we need to make in calibrating and identifying the means. The means go beyond mere policy statements. They are now in the realm of technology. Human life is now inconceivable without machines and technology, and will be more intensely so as we think that the burdens of life can be better resolved by technology and not by some doctrinaire political or legal decisions. May entirely replace our brains using nanotechnology and delivered from the limitations of biology, end quote. I thought it will therefore contextual to talk about the subject of the search for right answers in the emerging changes around us. I propose to first catch a glimpse of what the world may look like in coming times, at least for the economically gifted, and then to gather thoughts relating to the issues involved in the search for right answers.
my registrar also
It is
said
important
he's
to
in touch
visualize
with the
these changes
university.
and
So
begin to
even
ask
they
new
also
questions
will be
about
perfect
going
for
beyond the use of
Definitely.
dumb technology
Delhi's
and
a-
being
is there a
wedded
Delhi-
to
I think there's a
technology,
Delhi-Hubei
which will
flight.
design the daily motions of our life. From merely using technology, we are in a world of interacting with it.
This must be what?
I'm going to read
2
some
hours?
excerpts from the book Law in an Era of Smart Technology,
1
with
hour.
some changes introduced by me. I quote, let us imagine this.
It will be better to go to
In the not too
Belgaum or
distant
Hubli? What
future,
would you suggest?
Lakshmi comes home from work
Hubli is just
for work. As she turns into the driveway of the family home, the garage door opens automatically,
nothing really.
walks through a door that has been unlocked for her, and she walks into the kitchen.
Indigo, I think.
As she enters, she calls out any messages. The communication system that is an integral part of intelligent technology installed in the home response, Vishnu will be at least half an hour late, and Uma is having a dinner at a friend Mary's house. Lakshmi goes upstairs and the house is turned on, the light, she can see her way, and comes down to set the table for the dinner she and Vishnu will share. The house has cooked the food. As he sets the table, the house reminds her that she and Vishnu are expected to dinner party the following evening. Next, in a rather more distant future, Lakshmi leaves home on her way to work. She gets into an automated motor vehicle and instructs it to take her office to building on the far side of the town, where she has an early meeting. As the vehicle complies, Lakshmi uses the interactive technology installed in the vehicle to check her voicemail and emails and communicate with her own artificially intelligent office. By the time the vehicle drops her off at the front of the building, where a meeting will be held, she has dealt with several work-related matters, spoken to her daughter's teacher, and made the final arrangements for a vacation she and Vishnu, the daughter, will take the following month. Further, at an even more different somewhen in the future, in the probably fairly distant future, Vishnu gets up, breakfast, interacts with the home technology on several domestic matters, after which he goes into the room he and Lakshmi use at the home office. They each have a physical office in a remote building they can use if their actual presence is required there for some reason. For the most part, the machine enhanced fundamentally biological intelligences will share this world with pure machine intelligences, conscious, self-aware, non-biological entities that are, for all intents and purposes, the singularity, the point at which technology irreversibly alters human life would have arrived. What kind of right answers will be available for dealing with technology-induced wrongs? How answers will be available for dealing with technology-induced wrongs? How will law look like that? So many of current technologies are given life and goals by us intentionally. Using them, they are motionless. Our current laws assume this dynamic as the basis for the universal regulatory aspects. What regulatory aspects will be workable when we move from machine using to machine interacting age? As the author points out in his book, that the dynamic that humans may have with the smart technologies will be much more egalitarian than the dynamics we have with the passive or dumb technologies. The dynamic shifts from deliberate physical manipulation to an unconscious presumed symbiosis. All this will present to us many questions on finding right answers in our move towards a better social order domestically and globally. The claims for economic and social equality will have to be addressed very differently. Our current claims for and motions on equality and equal standards of life for all will then acquire new dimensions. The search for right answers may no longer remain the prerogative of the human minds. Altruism, compassion, love, empathy, and culture can become matters of machine thinking. I now turn to the general subject of right answers. The right answer search goes beyond the Dworkinian engagement. I understand that all ends of law are to get the right answers. Legislative assembly engines today strive hard to supply right answers. Social issues must receive right answers to be good resolution in order that social order and social peace govern us. How much of reservations in public services or accommodations in public educational institutions will be just and fair? In the midst of competing inequalities, who should get to drink at the well first? Since creamy layers are excessively or disproportionately consumed public benefits, should there be a further classification to make equal opportunities meaningful and constitutionally relevant? Just as no taxation without representation, no right answer without right processes. We satisfy ourselves by saying democracy will take care of all of this. I wonder how much of democracy can let us live in agreement on major issues. Who drafts the operating manuals for the flourishing of democracy? The people, the executive governments, the courts? In the competition of policies, as it becomes intense and loud, the right answers searched by democratic bodies may no longer be determined or guided by any approved norms or principles. If courts ought to be the final guardians on suppliers of right answers, all debate must happen there. This is becoming problematic. It appears that we keep moving between several right answers, like a train happen in totalitarian regimes. We may say that the comfort we have with democracy is not all that wrong. How can courts be and become supreme right answer delivering machines? The study of our minds showing either a reluctance to know and accept new ideas, or the fascination and fetish with them teaches important lessons. If a set of right answers exists in respect of, let us say, what should be the punishment for grave offences, then there should be no disagreement about them. We need only to discover the methods of getting or reaching the right answers. But we may have many theories and perspectives on punishment. None of them are happy bedfellows. They talk divergent dialogues. So we look for an arbitrator called the court. Again, we tell the court that you must do a balancing exercise. But no right answers given by the court remain so eternally. We say you must sail along with changing times. We say that the same words of the Constitution or of any law which meant one thing yesterday should carry new meanings tomorrow and today. Today, in many jurisdictions, the assistance of artificial intelligence to deal with sentencing is solicited. Can the dilemmas involved in the search for right answers be handled by this machine? In 1971, John Hogarth envisioned the basis for evolving an algorithm based on an accumulating database of sentencing decisions, and he paradoxically titled his book, Sentencing as Human Process. We all know that at sentencing, the power of the state over lives of people is at its height. Therefore, we talk of the ethics of punishment. It is said that the human thinking remains hard to explain, and giving reasons is not the same as being reasonable or reasoning. There is no generally accepted theory of how cognitive phenomena arise from the computations in the cerebral cortex of our brain. So it is said that what happens in the mind of the judge when she makes a sentencing decision is a black box in itself. Will ethics of punishment be enhanced by a black box of the machine? The search for right answers thus confronts us in every corner of our existence, and the machine age seems to add many complex chapters. Many of them are invisible. We say we must sail along changing times. The history of totalitarian tells us the assumptions about any ideology as scientifically infallible is wrong and can go wrong. When ideologies claim scientific status in infallibility, the right answers issue can be problematic. From assumption of infallibility comes authority to dictate right answers, and to all questions of social management. From this authority comes the authority to tell every citizen what will be political and social correctness. From this comes the power to do course correctness, as used to be called in Soviet Russia or in communist China. I do not see any difference between course corrections, theories of socialist ideology, and any other. But we labor hard to bring this phenomena very subtly in our justification for social changes. There is a whole lot of literature on why democracies fail or why governments commit blunders. You may ask, why bring in this when talking about the search for right answers? Why? Because we must go on. We must be on guard against the politics of inevitability, which clings to the notion that there are no alternatives or that they are infirm. You will not say, I quote, life can become a sleepwalk to a pre-marked grave in a pre-purchased plot. The song and dance of life lies in the search for right answers. I could have talked about the comparative motions of constitutions across different jurisdictions. I could have indulged in talking to you into the visions and principles of justice in India's literary tradition. I could have taken you to different lore of utopian and dystopian literature and make you do time travel like H.G. Wells, or maybe talk about the entangled debates on privacy, which would have been music to the ears of our wise and learned Chancellor, the Chief Justice of India. Or like George Santayana, talk about the sense of beauty in creation. Or be adventurous to connect philosophical thoughts to our Constitution by plumbing into Radhakrishnan's history of Indian philosophy. These are all equally rich areas of discourse. While I talk about all this, I have in mind Arthur Kiesler, Acts of Creation, a mathematician's apology by G.H. Hardy, who called Ramanujam to England, and Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment. Read them all, and many more, to script radical narrations of law and dharma. As I watch the motions of democracy and law, the silent tsunami of technology, and its possible impacts on social ordering and equality claims, I wonder why. I wonder we seem to lose sight of the challenges involved in our search for right answers. Our journey towards an equal and humane social order will and can no longer be tutored by political ideologies run out of steam. We cannot stop with the rhetorics of liberty, equality and fraternity. Equality is not mere equality of opportunities. Our economic systems and prescriptions are now grounded in and determined by technology and vice versa. Legal education is a window of all our systems. We must go beyond narrow debates on equality, confined only to access to social resources. This can be thus the grand merger of science, technology, economics and law. Our legislative assemblies and courts can then be research and development laboratories. We can then prepare ourselves for managing conditioned by narrowly tailored consumptions. I urge all of you to visualize the changes that will be ushered in by the laws of technology. The huge call for economic and social reordering waiting at our doors demands visionary allegiance. The intense search for right answers must inform our commitment to this allegiance. From tomorrow onwards, your search can begin alongside livelihood pursuits. Let it enrich your quality of life and the collective welfare of the people. I understand this to have been my vision of legal practice. If on the day of Thanksgiving to the institution and joyful parting too, each one of you waiting to fly with your wings into the next stage of your life and earn your silver and gold, if I have demanded your attention to thoughts too heavy, Homer of Greek fame, give me a nod of approval for the bundle of thoughts I have shared with you. May your journeys be prosperous and fulfilling. I wanted to conclude my exchange with you by a little speech I wrote today morning. A bit of poetry to be shared with you. Every tree is a thought. Every flower is an idea. Every fruit is a wish. Every plant is a plan. Every soil is a sketch. Every mountain is a map. Every river is a journey. Every cloud is a story. And every rain is a discourse. In nature, all we see are searches for beauty and use. With a willing heart and a greeting mind, with windows open and doors of wide, in nature's book of beauty scripts, all searchers for answers right, can many be a GPS drawn. Thank you for your attention.
Let's open.
I request all those present to please note the following announcements. After the procession exits the auditorium, all governing body members are requested to please assemble for the official photograph outside the auditorium. I request our team from NLSIU to guide the members to the designated spot for the photograph. After the procession has exited the auditorium, all graduates are requested to remain seated for their official batch photographs, which will take place on stage. Each cohort will be called up in turn to come up on stage. Following the batch photographs, all graduates are requested to assemble outside the auditorium for an official photograph of all cohorts who received their degrees today. All other members of the audience may please proceed for lunch after the procession has exited the auditorium. I now request all those present to rise for the national anthem. Thank you. Announcements for the graduating batches photographs will soon be made. All other members of the audience may proceed for lunch. Request the BA LLB batch. Request the BA LLB batch to please come up on stage for your batch photograph. Followed by the BA LLB will be the LLM and then the MPP program.
Medal
Why do you
aspect.
say all part of
BLLB is done? Okay. Can all the BLLB graduates please proceed down stage because we have an LLM photo. You can always come up again to take other photos. Can all the LLMs please come to the center of the stage? Please come to the center and assemble yourselves in 3 rows preferably if possible. Can I request the photographers to please guide the graduates in terms of the standing order so that everyone is visible in the photograph? Request all LLM students to please step down. All the MPP students, please come on stage for the group photo. All the LLM students, please go down. You can come later to take the photos again. Please step down. You will come again later to... All MPP students, please come on stage. All LLM batch and BLLB batch students, please move down from stage. Please go down from stage. Only MPP batch should be there on the stage, please. All others, please step down.